You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Hi, I'm Marcy Dondershein, and I'm an occupational therapist. And in 2007, symptoms that were mimicking multiple sclerosis, but come to find out I had a bulging disc at C5-6 that was bulging into my spinal cord. So I had symptoms all the way down my body. So I had a surgery for that, a subsequent surgery at C4-5 the next year. And since that time, I've had just chronic pain in my neck, loss of range of motion, pain that goes up the back of my neck into my head, and I just haven't really been able to find anything. The last surgery was 2009. So
7 years. How much pain from 0 to 10?
it's been debilitating at certain times. Maybe a 7
Okay.
would be the highest. But on a daily basis, it's like a
2 to 3, that's a constant pain.
Yeah.
So you were mentioning about your headache. Talk about it.
Yeah, I get pain that goes up the back of my head, and it doesn't really come in here unless it's just seasonal allergy kind of headache. But from the neck, if I sleep on a pillow that's too high, or if I'm doing a lot of neck flexion, bending down, I work with kids, then I get this pain up the back of my head. I really feel lots of range of motion when I come this way, especially shooting pain down into this area. So that's the main.
Any other symptoms?
Once in a while, my arms will be achy. I know that's from my neck because prior to my second surgery, that's how I knew my neck, another disc had bulged, is I thought I'd broken my thumb. It was so achy. As soon as I get that achy feeling in my hands, I know that
You didn't have achy now, or do you have?
now I don't.
You
Right
don't.
now I don't.
So can you tell me what type of treatment you had before?
I've had some physical therapy, more of just trying to release.
Manually with the hand?
Yeah,
Or-
and some manipulation for movement, range of motion.
Okay.
Which I feel like helped some during that time, but I never, after those surgeries, really got back to where I was pain-free.
Okay. All right. Did you have any other treatment other than? Okay. Everything we do should not aggravate your symptoms. Okay. So first, we're gonna just visually take your range of motion, extend and flex, and see how far. Please go back. And you let me know where is the tightness when you do that.
There's some tightness at the very end range of motion.
Occipital area.
Yes.
Flex. That's tight.
It's super tight down the right side. It just feels like a rubber band. when you
Okay.
pull. And I've been trying to stretch by holding this and just to.
So
release
rotate
the-
left and right.
Again, that sends pain down into my trousers.
The range of motion, restrictive extension and flexion. Let me work with you and make sure it's not with your symptoms.
Okay.
So the surgery was anterior.
Yes.
Feel this tightness? It's a fascia tightness. Should move like this.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna release into during see how you feel with that. Any discomfort?
No.
Can you tell me? Can you feel mobility?
Should I flex?
Do that.
Oh, I can feel it this way a little. Does that feel tight going this way?
Let's just scoot forward a little bit. Scoot.
Oh.
Do
Yeah.
you have any back issue?
Not chronic. The other day I was holding my knees for a long time and my lower back was hurting a little bit. I know all this is connected, right?
The whole body is connected.
Yeah.
Fascia layer is wrapping the entire body like a Spider-Man suit. We cannot separate it. It's wrong to treat body parts. We need to look at the whole system. You feel that tightness here?
Yes, I'm so tight.
That's a lot of fibrosis. Oh, healing you. Fibrosis is scar tissue. Here, you feel those bumps?
Yes.
That's a fibrosis scar tissue. This is like a small ping pong ball size.
Okay.
And I don't know, in the camera you can visually see the fibrosis sticking out here. There's nothing here. Feel that? Makes sense?
Yeah, yes.
See if you have the same on the other side. Can you tell the difference between this side and the other? I feel this is bigger. Can you feel the same?
Yes.
You said it's more sharp in that
Yes.
side. Okay. Yeah, you definitely have fibrosis in both sides. Okay. And you said an occipital area too. So you're gonna do that.
Okay.
Can you describe how the instrument feel in your body?
It doesn't hurt. It just feels like a rough grating, but it's no pain or anything. It's not
The-
irritating.
The rough part is because the fibrosis.
Okay.
The instrument is very small.
Yes.
Let's see how this feel. Maybe in discomfort.
Not at all.
It's not too bad here. You will notice if the area is smooth, do you feel rough or smooth here?
Smooth.
Yeah, that's because there's no fight. When you feel roughness, that's because of fibrosis. You feel like bumpy area. And sometimes when you work with patients, especially IT man, it feel like and sound washed forward.
Yeah.
It's not too bad, not so clear. Let's move your neck left and right. And tell me how that feel.
No pain to the left.
Okay.
To the right, when I get all the way to the end, it goes up into here and then down deep somewhere into there.
How much 0 to 10?
Like a 4.
Like a 4. Extend and flex. Can you tell a difference with that?
I think so. At the very end, it doesn't feel as tight.
It looks smoother.
It still feels pretty tight.
Let's actually line your back here. You can come this way. One side. Make sure it's pain-free.
Okay. I think I'm too long for your table. I'm okay. You can wait till the element.
Feel the tightness here? Is that painful?
It feels good.
Any headache wrong?
No.
You still feel the headache or the headache gone?
The headaches are going.
Any discomfort with that?
It hurts where your fingers are.
Make sure you let me
It's not unbearable.
tuck your chin. And relax it, go. All right, let's sit up. Let's turn left and right and tell me how this feels.
Okay, still on the right.
And how much
I feel like I have more range of motion, but it still is going down into there.
Okay.
Maybe a little less. I would say maybe a 3.
feels deep on that area.
Yes.
Right. Flexion extension is fine. Look at that. Forward deformation extension.
This doesn't hurt as much. Like I can go.
I didn't expect a lot of, you're gonna get a lot of friction because the rod.
Yes, I'm feeling
So we'll have your hardware limitation. So you feel it deep in this area.
into the middle of my neck and back. When I turn that way, yes. I don't understand.
Is that painful?
No.
Make sure it's not painful. Yeah. And sit up and tell me how it feels.
That felt really less pain. My range of motion. I still feel some tightness and a little bit of pain. Maybe a 2.
Okay.
Not in the middle, just down this top of the trap.
And this is much better. Is that painful?
Yes. It feels better. I mean, definitely have more range of motion. I still feel some tight, a little pain. Maybe a 2 there.
Okay. Do 10 into the right. In for 8, okay? If you're not counting, I'm going to do 200.
8.
Okay. Let's drink some more. And after that, turn again and tell me how you feel. How's that?
It's much better. I feel a twinge, much more movement without that sharp pain.
So flex extend. It's a good range of motion. That's your normal extension.
Yeah. It feels just a little tight now, but I don't feel that sharp pain.
You have a big scar tissue, so we need to work on it more to get full range of motion. Can you tell me what you think about the ASTR treatment?
It's great so far. Yeah.
That's good. Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.